She moves like shadows in the night, eyes burning gold, a dangerous light. I see her standing by the edge of the wild, her heart untamed, her spirit unstyled. She's a whisper in the trees, a secret carried on the breeze. The jungle calls and I follow her there, caught in the spell of her electric stare. She's a girl with the soul of a panther, running free, no one can answer. There's in power in every stride, I can't resist, I can't hide. She's a mystery, untamed and true, the girl and the panther both wild as the moon. Her touch is velvet, her claws are steel. She hides her wounds, but I can feel. A creature of the night, fierce and alone. She carves her path, her legend her own. She's the thunder before the rain, the fire that soothes, the fire that pains. I'm lost in her wild and I don't wanna leave. Her heartbeat's a rhythm I can't conceive. She's a girl with the soul of a panther, running free, no one can answer. Grace and power in every stride, I can't resist, I can't hide. She's a mystery, untamed and true, the girl and the panther both wild as the moon. The soul of a panther, the panther, running free, no one can answer. Grace and power in every stride, I can't resist, I can't hide. She's a mystery, untamed and true, the girl and the panther both wild as the moon. The girl underneath the stars, we dance in the dark. Her wildness leaves a burning mark. No chains, no cages, just the night to roam. The jungle's her heart, the wild is her home. The soul of a panther, the panther, running free, no one can answer. Grace and power in every stride, I can't resist, I can't hide. She's a mystery, untamed and true, the girl and the panther both wild as the moon. Underneath the stars, we dance in the dark. Her wildness leaves a burning mark. No chains, no cages, just the night to roam. The jungle's her heart, the wild is her home. She's a girl with the soul of a panther, running free, no one can answer. Grace and power in every stride, I can't resist, I can't hide. She's a mystery, untamed and true, the girl and the panther both wild as the moon. And when the dawn comes to steal her away, I'll remember her fire, her wild ballet. The girl and the panther, one and the same, forever untamed, forever aflame.